I don't know what made you interesting, but I'm quite sure na if you don't or you can't make your content very entertaining to others, well, the thing na hindi yun pop or walang buhay, walang energy at hindi yun sobrang entertaining pakinggan. Well, you really need to change something eh. Like put a flavor and pops. I like pop, you know. Uh, Speaking of pop, it's kind of glitter energy, which is you play with colors and different ecstatic feelings. So you can make things less boring and very interesting to watch. So guys, I'm talking about and trying to change myself, my present here, because I found it that all my video are so low key. I'm talking is the video are low key or kind of an upgraded type of casual vlogging. And you know YouTube people are obsessed on entertainment, and if you cannot manage to make things creative and entertaining, well, people will just ignore you and your presence. Even in life, if you're not so entertaining and you saying nonsense all the time and people not not like hindi mo na nahook yung people sa kung anong gusto mo sabihin at anong sabihin, kung anong gusto mo ipalabas, kung anong information yung pinagsasabi mo. Kasi if you're yapping all the time and you don't have clue kung sa patungo yung mga sinasabi mo at kung may sense pa ba to or may nagkaka-interest pa bang panuorin yun. So, well, that's a freaking problem, honestly. And I just find out I'm kind of boring and I don't want na mag-reflect sa akin yung personality na pagiging boring. So I want to pop up a little with a playful and creative solution, which is I'm trying to watch some films, some vlogs for sample, and then I'm finding I'm look more desaturated human. I mean, I look more blurred, colorless, and I don't really like that kind of personality, especially in vlog, because I can't stay watching that boring video. And I'm trying my best to now to fix the things and start a new era of entertainment with me, with interesting energy and entertaining purpose, and basta may patutunguhan at least na basta may sense at colorful at and then creative din at hindi naka-boring. Okay na sa akin yun kasi kahit sino naman may chance or watchable yun. Like, I'm talking about the quality of your content, because I'm just worried na hindi sila nagre-react masyado pag yung content mo ay talagang undeniably boring. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa panonood, bye.